this FX trading channel. Please do well to like, share, and subscribe to our videos so you can get more information about us. All right. Now, I want to talk about the AMD strategy, popularly known as the accumulation, manipulation, distribution strategy. And this is our weekly review, and I was able to get this AMD setup and we bagged it during the week. So I just want to share with you how it works. But one thing you should always understand is that while trading your favorite pair, if you come across consolidations or accumulations, then you can go with this strategy. But please don't go hunting for it. All right. If peradventure you encounter it, it's fine, but don't go hunting for it. So I will have to clear everything down here so I could show you how I was able to get it. So follow me on this journey. All right. So first of all, we come to the weekly time frame. This was this is the current week that we are in. I have to increase this for visibility purpose. This is the current week that we are in, and this was the previous week we left. So what do we do? We have noticed that this section so far has been bullish. These 3 weeks has been bullish. So this was the previous week before the recent week. So we go to the previous week. I use my horizontal ray, I pick up the support, and I also, sorry, I'm trying to make it visible to the eyes, and I pick up the resistance of that week. So you could see we have highlighted the support and the resistance of that previous week, and we put a mark there. Okay, now we come to the new week, and let's just place just a vertical line on it so we know our boundaries. All right, so this is how it works. We jump down to the 1 hour time frame. Okay, so we are in the 1 hour time frame, like you can see. Now this is the new week, and this was the previous week. Okay, so in the previous week we had higher lows, higher high break of structures, and otherwise there was no change of character, so the market was still remaining bullish. Okay, so having entered the new week, we had this consolidation right here, of which you can call it accumulation manipulation for now. So let's highlight it. So entering the new week, we had this accumulation. Okay, so this was the accumulation we had in the new week, and this was the manipulation. Now, one thing you should always understand is that whenever you encounter a consolidating market or an accumulation, please it is required that you stay off the market. Don't go into trade. All right. You can see how long this markets accumulated. It accumulated throughout the first day in the new week and almost half of the new day in almost half of the second day. All right. So this is what we're saying. After having the accumulation, the market will definitely do a manipulation, and the manipulation is either to take out the stop loss of other retail traders. So you have to wait for the manipulation to occur before going in the opposite direction as a distribution. So this is our manipulation. All right. So this is also known as liquidity sweep. So in the other hand, we have consolidation, liquidity sweep before the reversal. On the other hand, on the SMC hand, we call it accumulation, manipulation, and we're here to get the distribution. So now, how do we know our distribution? Right here. Now, if you understand MSNR to a level, if you understand MSNR to a level, you understand that we can draw out our entry from this point. Okay, that's where price came to also react from. So you could see that from this point right here, price was able to come down to this place and take our entry, of which you can see we put our stop loss here, and we'll target the 1:3. Now you could see how beautiful this trade was able to push. You could see how this trade was able to push the 1:3. Now this is how we are able to get the accumulation manipulation strategy correct. Now one thing you should always remember is that the accumulation manipulation distribution strategy is not something you go hunting for. If you encounter it, your luck or it's fine. But don't go hunting for it. You might hunt the wrong one. All right. So this is how it works. I'll do a video later on a review of the new week and how what we're expecting on silver in the new week. So for now, thank you. Bye.